Hello, my name is Benya Shaw. I am recording a video about the data collection, and I do want to explain how the data collection works in the early childhood field. So, the collection and analysis of behavior data can assist and maintain a positive classroom environment is by recognizing that different kinds of data are for different kinds of goal for different kind of measurement according to Webster 2025. And through data collection, it is a way of showing their whether a student is making progress or not making progress. So the benefits of three different methods of documenting or organized observation is through bright wheel, through anecdotal notes, and also through questionnaires as well, because those are ways to collect their information based on the child, and it's a way of come up with strategies on how to create that positive classroom environment. So identify factors that might be an influence or hindrance for accurate behavior data collection. So some school district may require that special education educators may need to collect data in a certain kind of template, and it is needed to be collected on a drive, and the computer can shape the sizes of the data collection data, and unfortunately it may not be accurate because due to the shape of the drive of the computer. And sometimes a teacher may have a certain way that the data collection is written, and unfortunately, it may not be to the accurate may not be accurate due to how it's shaped. So I'm going to explain the importance of collaborating with families. So the importance of collaborating with families are through open houses, through parent teacher conference, through board meetings, through observation, meaning inviting the parent to come into the school to observe the classroom and see how the classroom is operated on a daily. And I believe this is a way for a parent to see how their child is in school and how they're interacting with their friends and their teachers, and the parents can also can see how the schedule, the routine is in the classroom. And another way to be able to collaborate with families through having meetings, and these meetings include a formal meeting, which is maybe a board meeting, or it could be a parent teacher conference. I do believe the parent teacher conference is the best way to be honest with the parent about their children's progress in the classroom and to gain information about their child. And another way to collaborate with families through in the early childhood, if this is allowed, is through home visit. When I was working in daycare, my job would require home visit. It required us to visit the home of the child that we're caring, and in their personal space, we could gain more information about the child. And I believe that's a way to collaborate with parents. Excuse me. So I want to talk about the data, the to compare the data from exceptionality and the children without exceptionality. I believe the children with exceptionality would need individualized observation because it's important for a teacher to focus on that individualized child and see how that child is making progress in the classroom and to see how they're able to use their skills inside the classroom as far as their gross motor skills, fine motor skills, and the rest of the skills that is being needed to build in the classroom. And also through questionnaires, the ASQ questionnaire is the one that's very popular, and it is a way to gain more information from the parent about the child to see the child needs any type of screening or any type of services that may cause a delay. I believe through for children without exceptionality is standardized assessment because there's a way to collect data, based on their progress in the classroom, and also they will also learn that their skills they could be worked on as well. And I do believe with the exceptionality student, they might require more modification or accommodation due to how this standardized is being worded. And I would also like to talk about the comparison of the data collection in the preschool and the elementary school. In the preschool classroom, teachers are required to collect data through sample artwork or through anecdotal notes or through using technology as far as Brightwell is a perfect example. And this is a way how to track the students' data and to track their behavior and the rest of the skills that's been built inside the classroom. In the elementary school, teachers are required to collect samples for grading and and also data collection as well. All right, this is the end of my video, and I appreciate you all for listening. Thank you, and have a blessed night.